yogis! It's time to wake up your body and you smile. Let's warm up together. Wiggle your fingers, shake your hands, move your shoulders, and bounce like a happy frog. Now, let's balance. Stand tall like a tree, keep your foot up, and take a deep breath, whoosh! Great job, little yogis! You moved, you smiled, and you breathed beautifully. Hey friends! Did you like our yoga video? If you did, give us 1,000